In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel for your personal brand or business in just 3 easy steps. Let's get started with step 1. Step 1 is to go to YouTube and sign in. Head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right-hand corner of the page. Then log in using the Google account that you'd like your channel to be associated with. I suggest you use your personal Google account that you already use to access other Google products like Gmail or Google Calendar. And if you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one before you can get started with YouTube. Just simply follow the steps to create a Google account. And note that if you want to set up your YouTube channel using a mobile device, then you will need to sign into YouTube from the YouTube mobile site, not from the YouTube app. So on a mobile device, just go to youtube.com in your mobile browser and then sign into YouTube. Step 2 is to open your YouTube settings. To open your YouTube settings, click on the profile picture in the top right-hand corner and your YouTube settings will appear. Now, step 3 is to create your channel. To create a channel, just click on Create a Channel in the Settings menu. And now you will see the option to create a personal channel using the name and picture on your Google account. Or you can create a channel using a brand or other name. Now in this example, I will first create a personal channel and then I'll show you how to create an additional brand channel using this same Google account. So just click Select to create your personal brand channel. And that's how easy it is to create a YouTube channel. You can follow these steps to complete your channel setup, or you can skip this and set them up later. And now you're ready to start uploading videos to YouTube and getting in front of the billion-plus people that come to YouTube every single month. Now, what if you want to create a brand channel in the same Google account? It's very easy. To create another channel, click on your profile picture in the top right-hand corner, and then click on Settings. Next, click on Create a New Channel, and then enter your new channel name and hit Enter. And that's how easy it is to create another YouTube channel for your brand or using another name. Now to switch between your YouTube channels, simply click on the profile picture in the top right-hand corner and then click on Switch Accounts. Just click on the channel that you wish to be logged in as and then click your channel to view the back end of your channel once again, where you can upload videos and customize your channel. That wraps up how to create a YouTube channel for your personal brand or business in just 3 easy steps. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.